Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I'm pretty much going to be doing a really quick video, like super quick, just to go over the other two style earrings that I did. I had somebody ask me how I actually made them, and I didn't show the steps, so that's what I'm going to do really quickly. I'm going to go over how I made these as well as the fabric ones. So for the fabric ones, I already have everything out. I'm just using these little fabric swatches that I have in foam sheets. Of course, I'm going to be doing two pair, and I'm going to be doing the purple and this aqua. So first off, what you want to do is what you want to do is go ahead and cut out your two triangles. As you can see, I have my two triangles here. And then my purple one is going to be the smaller triangle that I'm going to have in the center. And I'm trying to see how I'm going to do this because I don't really have a corner piece. But I can kind of line it up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a smaller triangle to use for the inside piece, and I'll be back. Alright, so after you have your the bigger triangle cut out and the smaller triangle cut out, it's pretty much going to look like this, where you can still see the color on the edge. And then what you want to do is you want to take your smaller triangle, take your fabric, lay it on the fabric, trace it, and then once you trace it, that is how you are going to get your fabric triangles that you are going to cut out. So I have those cut out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pretty much just go ahead and pretty much just layer my pieces and get them glued down. Trying to see if that's okay. So for this process, I'm just pretty much just gonna use my glue gun. You can use Mod Podge, that is fine. But I'm just gonna use my glue gun to glue these things down. Nothing special needed. Okay, as you see, I have everything glued down. Looks nice. Now you can stop right here and leave these as is and just wear them like that. But we're going to take it one step further, and we are going to now put our fabric on top of our foam. Now you can use Mod Podge for this. I'm using Mod Podge. Alright, I pretty much already have the fabric on these earrings as well as one of these. So pretty much just going to show you now the process. I just put glue on the front of it before I remembered I should have showed you guys. So all you do is peel it back, and I just put the Mod Podge actually on the fabric. I don't put it on the foam sheet. I mean, you can, this is just, doing what works best for you, what's comfortable to you. What do you prefer? And then just push it in place. And also, normally I would also coat the outside of this with Mod Podge, but I'm not going to do that in the video because it wouldn't be dry. It definitely would not be dry. So I'm not going to do that right now. But yeah, just cover your fabric with the Mod Podge. Put it down. You're good to go. Now, after this step, you are going to need your hole puncher, your clamper. But y'all, it looks like I didn't bring nothing over here with me. So I'm just going to freehand it. This is my one pair of earrings, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hole up here. And you will need fish hooks for these. I believe that's what they're called. I think I got it this time. As well as you will need jump rings. Okay, what you're gonna want to do is just twist it to where the jump ring opens up. I'm trying to figure out what my camera is. And go ahead and take your earring and just put the jump ring through the hole that you made. And me, I'm going to use 2 jump rings, so I'm going to attach another one on here, and then I'm just going to twist them back together as such. Get the other. No, where's my fish? Okay. Take my little earring thing, twist it on, and there I have an earring. And as you see, it did not take that long to do. I'm going to do the same thing for this. As you can see, I've already used thumbtack to put a little hole. I got my jump ring. Going to twist it open like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and insert it through the hole that I made with the thumbtack. Grab another jump ring. Let it hang like that. Close it up. Grab this other jump ring, because now I'm making a chain. Twist it open. Grab a fish hook. Put that bad boy on in. And there you have that one. I like the way that one came out. That one looks really cute. Okay, we are all done, and I just love the way they came out. Look at them. So cute. And it just adds like a pop of color to your outfit. It looks like watercolor almost. I think they came out freaking adorable. And I'm going to try on the other pair. Because this one I used some goddamn lime green. Ooh, yeah, that's bright. That's bright for me, y'all. That's bright. Ooh, this is bright. But they're pretty. But these colors is just like, whoa, here I am. Look at me. And these came out cute. I also like how the glitter looks on the, the fabric. So I like them. I probably wouldn't wear these because the green is just loud and out there. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you do the fabric. It is very simple to do these, very easy. And these look like they are heavy and big, but they are not heavy at all. Feels like you're not even wearing earrings. You might even forget you're wearing earrings. But yeah. So now we are going to move on to the other pair, which is this pair. And this is pretty much, y'all, the easiest one to make. Like, honestly, the easiest one. All you need to do is just cut some squares. So let me do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so for the long dangle ones, I picked out a piece of glitter foam in this pretty coral, peachy, whatever. That's what we're going to go with. And if you look, you can see that I already have my pieces cut out. And this is the way that they are going to be hanging, pretty much. So the silver piece is going to be in the middle, pretty much like that. And you can make these squares as big or as small as you like. It is totally up to you. Okay. So, make sure it don't fall. Okay, so with that being said, now I need my hole puncher. I'll be right back. Okay, so for this process, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a ton of jump rings on hand and ready. So you're going to take your top piece. This is the top piece right here. I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole directly in the middle. At the top middle. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see it. Okay. Then you're going to take your jump ring as I showed you. You're going to open it. Go ahead and put that one through. And because this is the top piece, you can go ahead and get your fish hook and put this through. So now this is what you have, and you have to connect the silver piece. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom, and now you're going to put 2 more holes, one on this side and one on that side, so that you can, so that you can connect your silver piece. So you're going to have to also take the silver piece and you're going to put 2 holes at the top and 2 holes at the bottom. That's going to be to attach the top and the bottom piece. So, yeah. All right, so now you can either put 1 jump ring to connect, or you can use 2 jump rings, which is how I had it and how I'm going to do it again. So I'm just going to show you. Let me add them on there first, and then I'll show you. But right now I'm just attaching them to the peach/coral piece. So this is what you have. And as you can see, it has 2 jump rings, and the 2 at the bottom are going to be the ones that you use to now open and attach the silver piece. And like I said, y'all, this is super, super easy. All you are doing is cutting some foam, adding this in, and you're good to go. Honestly, it probably takes about, to do these, probably not even 15 minutes. Now for the fabric ones, those take a little time. But still, nothing major. None of these take any major time. Oops, almost close that. Okay. So now you have both of your pieces right there. So I've already connected my 2 on the bottom. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my holes on the peach, coral, whatever. And then this is going to be my last piece that I am connecting. And I am done with the earring. And like I said, you can get as creative with this as possible. If you want, you can also add on some chains if you like. These don't have to be plain at all, you guys. You can add little symbols. Yeah, you can draw on these, you can paint on these, you can do whatever you want. Okay, you guys, so I have the completed pair on, and I think they are cute. The glitter is blinging. It is cute. Like I said, you can add chains. You can make it longer. You can make this as long as you want. You can make the squares as big as you would like. You can even try to do it with triangles. I think that would be pretty cool to see. But anyways, yeah, you guys, I just love foam. And there's like a ton of other type of earring styles that you can do with foam sheets. Like, there is a lot that you can do with foam. So please get creative. And I would love to see what you guys come up with, or to hear what you guys come up with. If you do anything different, I would love to know. Just let me know. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon probably tomorrow, because y'all, I got my own space and I'm about to be all up in y'all face. Bye.